my friends, today I would like that we study Excel with these 5 functions. If I said function is like formulas in Excel. The first one is count block function. The second one is count if function. The third one is concatenate, what to say, with no space, or concatenate with space. The fifth one is if or condition. So after this video you will be able to imitate my video steps so that you can catch these 5 functions in Excel. Okay, let us start here. For example, we have name. Okay, we have name, so we need to count. So these are names of these people: Sarah, Tommy, Febex, Ndeki. So those are names. So here are their ages. So you need to count how many spaces here, or how many cells with empty. Empty is blank. So we are going to use what to call blank function. These are known as count blank function. So let us see how it look like. If you need to use this formula known as count blank function, you will need equal sign, then you write count blank. You see, open a bracket, then select from here up here, then you close the bracket, then you click enter. So you will see that empty space or empty cell are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means we have 4 cells with nothing. So this is known as count blank. So another function here we are going to see is known as count if. You see, so we have count if. Let us cut this one, then we take another sheet. Okay, you take another sheet. Let us come here. Okay, yes, I think it's visible. Yes, for example, I need second function known as count if. What is count if? Is to count but with a given condition. For example, let us here put types. Here we put count if as our function or as our formula. Then we start by counting how many Toyotas are here. We have 1, 2, 3. But here you are able to count by 1 to 1. But imagine when you have a sheet with 4,000 Toyotas. Will you count 1 up to Z or 1 up to million? No, we will use a formula known as count if. So let us try to type this count if. Start here, we write equal sign, then count if. You see, open bracket, then you scroll by range, then after you type equal sign, type count if, open bracket, then you put a range, you see, then after you put criteria. Range is from here up here for the type of Toyota books, computers, Toyota television, printers, Toyota. So these are the cost of the products. So but we need how many Toyotas are here, how many computers are here, how many books are here. How many books means how many series with written books, how many series with written Toyota, how many series written television. Okay, so scroll down up to here as the range, then comma, you see, then you put criteria. Criteria is a cell to take into consideration where you will write the type by changing the type. Okay, let us use this one as age of 15. For example, age is the location of this column. Here 15 is number of row. Then close the bracket, then click enter. You will see here it is 0 because there is nothing to we have written here. If we write here by typing Toyota, for example, Toyota, then here click enter, you will see is a 3. Let us count 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 Toyotas. You see, here we have 1, 2, then 3, the same as here. This is 3. Okay, if we count, for example, let us change here by writing another thing. Let us change here, then we write, for example, here we write computer. Okay, type computer, computers, you see, then you click enter. You see it is 1. Why it is 1? Because here there is no other computers, only it is only one cell containing computers, so it is 1. If you change here by writing books, for example, books, okay, then you click enter, you see it is 1 because there is one cell with books. For example, if you change here is written printers. Let us type books, you see, then you click enter. Here it will change also because also have changed the number of cells containing books. Also here we change to be 2. So this formula is known as count if. Okay, let us see another next formula or next function. Next function is what to call is a continent. Is this one? Okay, concatenate. Okay, let us see how this formula works. Okay, for example, we have a name. Okay, first name, then here we have last name. So you need to join Tommy and Ibrahim, but with no space. Okay, full name but with no space, like this one. So you will need a formula to join this one. So for example, you have to do like this one. You copy, then you paste. Okay, then also here you copy, for example, then you paste here. It works? No. If you copy and paste, it can't work. So what you need a formula to help you to do this job. So which formula is known as this one? This formula is known as concatenate for function. Okay, so let's start. Okay, concatenate function will need equal sign, then write concatenate okay, so then open bracket, then this one comma, then you type here, then you close bracket, then after click enter. So you will see that there's a two names in difference, two columns become one sentence or one name, but no space. Tommy Ibrahim, no space. Then after, you can see here how the formula is look like. Okay, here. Then after, you scroll here down up to Ivan, the name will look like this. You see, this formula is known as concatenate. So then after, another formula is what to call concatenate but spacing. Concatenate is to join two names but you put space between two names. You write Tommy space Ibrahim. Okay, is here full name with space. How it look like? You see how the formula we're going to use. We use the equal sign, concatenate as equal sign, then concatenate, then you put the location. Okay, there's the two signs. Okay, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, then you comma, then you put another location. So let us start. You put the equal sign, concatenate, open bracket, you see, then you put Tommy as the first name, then after you put comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, okay, space, then after you put Ibrahim, close the bracket, click enter. You will see Tommy Ibrahim, there is a space between them. Tommy and Ibrahim, there is a space between them, different from here. You see? So then after you scroll down, your name will look like this one. You will see that Bonnie Abigail, it will be Bonnie space Abigail. Here, Tobla Elise will be look like Tobla Elise. Mbapi Ivan will look like Mbapi space Ivan. So this function is known as concatenate but with spacing. The formula will look like this one. Okay, you can type somewhere in a book or other way, so that you can use in your day life. Okay, you get me? Is like this one. You see, it is equal sign, concatenate, open bracket, location, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, then another location, then you close bracket, click enter. Okay, these are 5 formulas I need that we discuss about, and let us we take the last one, the last formula. For example, the last one, as the last function I need that today we cover is if function. For example, here we have numbers. You have numbers in a column as a T. You need to put a condition. For example, if a number x is less than 100, be true, and if a number so not less than 100, it means it is greater than 100, be false. It means will be false otherwise. Here is clear. If x is less than 100, be true, and if x is greater than 100, be false. So you will put a condition equal sign if, okay, if bracket, this is T5, you see it is T5, sorry, it is a T6 race. You click on shift, then race, less than what? Less than 100, okay, comma, B is quotation mark, be true, okay, true. Also close with quotation mark, comma, so false otherwise. False otherwise, it means you write false, then you close your bracket, then after click enter. You are seeing here how it look like, equal sign if, open bracket, T6 the number, starting your column, less than 100, comma, quotation mark, you write true as your condition, you open, you close with quotation mark, comma, then false because it is the last condition, it means false otherwise. Then after you click enter, you will see that 198 is not less than 100 as our condition we have put in here, so that's why it is false. Here it will be true. Here let us check, here also will be true. So then scroll down here until here, then you see your condition. You see it means 50 is less than 100 as your condition it look like, so it is true. 1003 it is false because it is greater than 100. 34 it is less than 10, that's why it is true in your condition as it looks here. So this formula is known as if function, okay. So these are the formulas I need today we discover on together. So I can say thank you very much for watching. So remember to like these videos, and also you leave comments, even you, if possible, tell different people to follow this channel. Goodbye. I love you so much.